Welcome to Danesh Academy, where curiosity meets innovation. I'm thrilled to have you here, exploring this content through Danesh Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of MEMS. MEMS, or Micro Electro Mechanical Systems, are tiny devices that combine mechanical structures with electronic circuits at a microscopic scale. These small but powerful systems allow machines to sense movement, pressure, and environmental conditions. In smartphones, MEMS sensors detect motion and orientation, helping features like screen rotation and step counting. In medical devices, they monitor heart rate and blood pressure, improving patient care. In automotive systems, MEMS help with airbag deployment, stability control, and fuel efficiency. As MEMS continue to advance, they will play an even bigger role in robotics, artificial intelligence, and smart cities, making the world more connected and automated. MEMS sensors are small yet powerful tools that measure environmental changes with high precision. They play a vital role in smart devices, healthcare, automotive, and robotics. Magnetometers sense magnetic fields, essential for digital compasses and geolocation services. Tilt sensors detect angular changes, commonly found in gaming controllers and industrial machinery. Humidity sensors measure air moisture, crucial for weather monitoring and HVAC systems. Gas sensors detect harmful gases, improving air quality and industrial safety. Infrared sensors enable thermal detection, widely used in night vision cameras and motion detectors. Accelerometers detect movement and orientation, used in smartphones for screen rotation and step counting. Gyroscopes measure angular velocity, helping in navigation systems and image stabilization. Pressure sensors ensure accurate monitoring, widely used in medical devices and automotive applications. MEMS microphones deliver high-quality sound in communication devices. MEMS technology is widely used across different industries, making devices smarter, more efficient, and highly responsive. Smartphones and wearables, MEMS sensors enable screen rotation, step counting, and motion tracking. Medical devices, used for monitoring heart rate, blood pressure, and drug delivery systems. Automotive industry, MEMS enhance airbag deployment, stability control, and tire pressure monitoring. Robotics and drones, improve navigation, motion control, and environmental interaction. Industrial and aerospace, used in automation, pressure sensing, and structural monitoring. Communication systems, MEMS optimize radio frequency tuning, microphone performance, and signal processing. Consumer electronics, found in digital cameras, gaming controllers, and smart home devices. MEMS technology continues to expand, integrating with AI, IoT, and automation, shaping the future of smart industries. MEMS technology is revolutionizing medicine, enabling smarter diagnostics, precise treatments, and advanced health monitoring. Wearable health monitors, MEMS sensors in smartwatches and medical wearables continuously track heart rate, glucose levels, and oxygen saturation, helping patients manage chronic conditions. Drug delivery systems, MEMS-controlled implantable drug dispensers provide targeted medication release, ensuring optimal dosage and reducing side effects. AI-integrated imaging, MEMS enhances ultrasound and MRI technology, improving image resolution and diagnostic accuracy for early disease detection. MEMS is shaping the future of healthcare, making medical treatments more efficient, personalized, and accessible. MEMS technology is transforming smart agriculture, enabling farmers to optimize resources and improve productivity. Soil monitoring, MEMS sensors provide real-time data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and pH, helping farmers make informed decisions about fertilization and irrigation. Climate control: MEMS-based weather stations track temperature, humidity, and atmospheric conditions, ensuring crops receive optimal growing conditions. Automated irrigation: MEMS sensors detect soil dryness and adjust water distribution, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Pest and disease detection: MEMS biosensors identify harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses, allowing farmers to take preventive measures before outbreaks occur. Livestock health tracking: MEMS implants monitor body temperature, movement, and vital signs in animals, ensuring early detection of health issues. MEMS is revolutionizing agriculture, making farming more precise, sustainable, and efficient. MEMS technology has several advantages that make it a key component in modern electronics. Miniaturization allows MEMS to be embedded into smartphones, medical devices, and industrial equipment. Low power consumption ensures energy-efficient operation, making MEMS ideal for portable and battery-powered devices. High precision enables accurate motion sensing, medical diagnostics, and autonomous systems. Cost efficiency comes from mass production, allowing MEMS to be accessible and affordable. Versatility means MEMS can be used in healthcare, automotive, aerospace, and communication systems. MEMS technology is rapidly evolving, leading to exciting advancements across industries. Integration with AI and IoT: MEMS sensors will work alongside artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, enabling smarter automation in homes, vehicles, and healthcare. NanoMEMS miniaturization to nanoscale will allow for even smaller, more efficient systems in electronics and biomedical field. Biomedical innovations: MEMS devices will power advanced medical implants, wearable health monitors, and precision diagnostic tools. Flexible and wearable MEMS: future MEMS will adapt to flexible, stretchable electronics, improving smart clothing and next-gen devices. Space and defense applications: MEMS will be integrated into satellite technology, military-grade sensors, and aerospace systems. MEMS will continue to evolve, making devices smarter, smaller, and more efficient, shaping the future of automation and connectivity. Thank you for watching this video on Danesh Academy. We hope this content has been insightful and has given you a fresh perspective on MEMS and cutting-edge technologies. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more scientific and educational content.